Hello, buddies. Welcome back to Stainless Zone TV. Ladies, if you want to have the sweet punani, sweet, melodious, sugary, juicy punani, stay by. Don't click any other dime. Stay by. I'll teach you how to make your own home remedy just with few items you can get in your kitchen. To have you back, my old subscribers. I love you so much. If this is your first time tuning into my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to receive notification whenever I post any updates, because I'm always here to give you updates. Yes, so today I'm going to teach you how to make homemade VJJ Punani sweetener. It's super fantastic and it's meant for ladies. So if you're a guy, please just shift, don't put your ears. So it's gonna feel so good, you know what that means, and it's very interesting when your man enjoys you. Okay, so we have to go there. We have to prepare this. So let's go to the kitchen. Don't skip, just follow me gradually. So I'll teach you how I prepare this beautiful juicy syrup. This looks appetizing, right? Yes. So stay tuned. I'm going to teach you how you're going to prepare it. It's very simple. Don't go. Keep on watching. So guys, welcome into my kitchen. I have my okra. I have to prepare my okra for the recipe. Slice. When I'm done slicing, I have to fill it into my bottle. I fill it to my bottle and keep. Then we have my lemon. I have to slice the lemon, drain out the water, the juicy from the lemon. Then the next thing is the dates. I have to peel off the dates and remove the seeds inside. Yes. So this is how it looks like when you're done peeling the seeds. I have to blend it, put it into my blender. Make use of bottled water, a new bottled water, because it's something you drink. Okay, add water to the blender, blend thoroughly, blend. So this is it. Then remember, this is my sliced okra. I have to put the blended dates inside the blended okra. Then my cloves, I have to add little cloves inside. It's medicinal, so to avoid stomach purge or stomach upset. Then I fill my bottle with water and add the lemon juice. Add the lemon juice to the mixture. This is it. I shake to mix well. So this is how it looks like. It's still fresh. Okay, this is how it looks like. Okra is still fresh. Everything is still fresh. The clove, the date, the lemon, the water. So after a day, I'll take it off my fridge because I kept it inside my fridge. Shake it again. It's time to sieve. It's time to sieve out the juice. Now look at it. It's now so slippery. That is how your punani will be like this after taking this recipe. Look at it. So slippery. After taking this, thank me later. You will thank me later. Just look at it. So slippery. Juicy punani. So this is the waste. I have to fill this into my bottle. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Punani syrup is ready. Punani syrup, sweet punani syrup is ready. So this is my glass. I have to take this. It's time to take mine. So when is the right time for you to take this juicy punani syrup? You can take it in the morning and night or once a day. but make sure you take it every day for 7 days. Then other days you can skip, and ensure to keep it in your fridge so that whenever you want to take it will be so cold, so chilled, and so sweet for you to take. So if this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, see you in my next video.